Imagine turning just $1,000 into $1 million without winning the lottery or starting a business. Sounds impossible? It's not. It's the magic of compound interest, and today we're going to show you exactly how it works. Before we jump into the strategy, let's break it down. Compound interest is when your money earns interest, not just on your initial investment, but also on the accumulated interest. Over time, this creates an exponential growth effect. Meet Alex and Ben. Alex invests $1,000 at 20 years old with an average return of 10% per year. Ben waits until he's 30 to invest the same amount. By the time they turn 60, Alex has over $70,000, while Ben only has $26,000, even though they both invested just $1,000. That's the power of time and compounding. Now, let's see how you can turn $1,000 into $1 million. Step 1. Find a high-growth investment. The stock market has historically returned 8 to 10% annually. If you invest in an S&P 500 index fund, you can benefit from long-term growth. Step 2. Be consistent. Investing just $150 per month alongside your initial $1,000 can dramatically boost your results. Step 3. Reinvest your earnings. Instead of withdrawing profits, reinvest them to let compound interest work its magic. Even billionaire investor Warren Buffett credits compound interest for his fortune. He started investing at 11 and let his wealth grow over decades. The earlier you start, the better. Want to know how fast your money doubles? Use the rule of 72. Just divide 72 by your annual return rate. At 10% growth, your money doubles every 7.2 years. So your $1,000 can turn into $1 million in about 50 years if left untouched. Here are mistakes to avoid if you want to build real wealth. Number 1. Not starting early. Time is your biggest ally. Number 2. Withdrawing too soon. Let compounding do its work. Number 3. Falling for get-rich-quick schemes. Real wealth takes patience. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time, right now. Whether you're 20, 30, or even 40, it's never too late. Invest wisely, stay patient, and watch your money grow exponentially. Want to start your wealth building journey? Hit the like button, subscribe, and let us know your financial goals in the comments below.